students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, an urn contains 10 black balls and 5 white balls, and 2 balls are drawn one after the other without replacement. Then the probability that both the balls are black ball. Our options are 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 2 by 3 or 2 by 9. So we have an urn in which there are 10 black balls and 5 white balls, correct? Now we are supposed to take 2 balls one by one. So if we are taking, and both the ball, what is the probability that both the balls drawn are black? So probability will be, first ball, if you are taking ball one by one, so what is the probability that the first ball I took will be black? So since total number of balls currently is 15, correct? And out of this 15, what is the probability that I am taking the black ball? 10, there are total 10 black balls out of 15. So probability that the first ball is a black ball is 10 divided by 15. Now since now in the sack, in the urn, now there are only 9 black balls and 5 white ball, because we took one black ball already out, correct? Now out of this we are taking a second ball, and we need, what is the probability that that second ball will also be black ball? So if you are taking a black ball out of this, what will be the probability? There are 9 black balls and total number of balls is 9 plus 5, which is 14. So this will be our final answer. This is 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, and 2 7s are. So 3 by 7 probability will be equals to 3 by 7. So our correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.